So hello everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see one Python problem. So which is related to list concept. So this is not that much difficult problem. So it's a simple problem. So here we are given with a list. So and this list contains some duplicate elements. So let's say two. If you take two, so the two is repeated again. Then if you take six, the number six is repeated again. So here we need to count the number of occurrences of particular number in this list. So this is our problem. So which means let's say if I take a number 2, so 2 is present in this position, then 2 is present in this position. So the count of occurrences of a number 2 in this list will be 3. So my output will be 3. So this is the problem statement and this is the output which I should get. Okay. So in order to solve this problem, so we use a concept called function. So the main use of using the function in this problem is that so we can achieve the concept of code reusability. So I will just tell you what is meant by code reusability in the end of this video. So here I call the function. So generally in function what happens means so we have a function called this is a function call. Okay. Then this is a function definition. So if you call a function, so whichever statements which are present inside this function definition, so those things will be executed and it will give some value. So that is the concept of function. So here whichever is present inside these two brackets, so these are called parameters or arguments. So here I have two arguments. So I call the function. Okay. So this name should be same. So here I use count function and this name should be same and def is the keyword. So this syntax. So here I pass two arguments. Okay. And this list will go to this one, this list. Then this one will go to this n variable. So simply we can say I created two variables here in the function definition. So here I declare one more variable that is local variable and I give the value as 0, count equal to 0. Okay. So here I will just tell the logic. So here we are going to use a for loop because we need to go to each element. So in order to go to each element, we need to use loops concept. So I use a for loop here and I need to do some comparison operation. And if the comparison operation is true, then I will increment my count variable. So that's it. That's the simple concept. So for eigen list, okay. So this list contains this value. So I use eigenlist, then I use a if statement here. So if I equal to n, so it gives a boolean value, true or false. So first my what to say, I value will be 1, my n value also will be 1 because in this problem we need to find number of occurrences of let's say a number 1 in this list. So I is equal to n. So the condition is true because I value is 1, then n value also is 1. So if this is the case, we will increment the count variable. So count is equal to count plus 1. So now the value of the count is 1. So next I value will be 2, then 3, it will go till this one. Then again what to say, my I value is equal to n. Okay. So then the count variable will be incremented and the value of the count is equal to 2. So this is the concept. So now I will just execute the program so that you will be much clear. I get the result as 2. So which is our expected result. So during the starting of the video, I told like what is the meaning of reusability. So let's say instead of let's say giving 1, I'm giving two. So which means I need to find a count of, let's say, occurrences of a number two in this list. Okay. So here I just change this value from 1 to 2 and I'm just executing the code. So you can see guys. So the value is 3. So this is the concept of code usability. So you just write one general code. So after writing that general code, you just change some things. So because of that, what to say, you don't need to write some statements again and again. So it makes the code more readable. So that is the concept of function. So I hope you guys understand it. So thanks